Jeep has teased the next-gen Compass in a new YouTube video that they posted called Tech Talks with Ned Curie, Episode 1 on AI. So in it, they show off technical drawings of the vehicle, including one that shows off the flat front end with these square headlights and the signature Jeep grille slats. And it also looks a little more boxy all around compared to the current generation. It actually looks pretty cool. I think that could sell pretty well. Let me know what you think about that one in the comments below as well. But the video also shows that it'll be related to the Peugeot 3008. And as we've known previously, it'll come in both electric and gas variants. And it'll be riding on the STLA Medium platform. And so, I mean, this thing can't come soon enough. This and Cherokee. We just saw Cherokee Spied this past week as well. That's going to be gas-powered, at least with one of the variants of it, because there was spy shots of one running around with exhaust fumes and all that. So that's hopefully on the horizon here at some point this year. And then we also have, you know, this new Compass as well, which rumors suggest should be debuting in November. I don't think we have any official confirmation just yet, but hopefully, you know, we get a whole new onslaught of impressive new Jeeps here soon. And but great to get that teaser there, though.